Hello, welcome to this context capture tutorial, retouching part 1 of 3. Today we will review how we will open an existing reconstruction and reference 3D model to go to touch-up. Then you will select the tiles that are of your interest for touch-up using the quality control tool. You will open the touch-up tool, and then we will review the three main type of tools. First, the navigation tools, the display tools, and the selection tools. And in the end, we will review how we save and quit to update our production. In the user interface, I will set in reconstruction reference model tab. I have here all my tile list, and I will straight go to quality control. Here, in the 3D view, I will be able to select the tiles of interest and tag them, for example, to retouch. Now it's saved, I will be able to observe in my tile list all the tiles that are tagged and that I need to retouch. After selecting one of them, I will go to Touch-Up Tools and will open the tile itself in a new tool. Here, I have a clear 3D view of my tile that is displayed on the screen. On the top right bar, I do have some navigation tools to enable photo navigation, to enable home view, orbit, or moving features. On the right, I have some display buttons to display photos, survey points, splats, mesh, grid and axis, base map, and the tile boundaries that are here half transparent and that are shown to avoid overlap issues. On the left, I have the selection tools that will allow me to select part of the mesh. I have the rectangle, the lasso, the smart selection tools. If I select a part of the mesh, it's displayed in blue on the screen, and on the top left corner, I do have some undo redo features and some fixing buttons. When I'm happy with my touch-up, I can either save or, if not, discard. After saving, I just have to go back to user interface and update my production. That's it for this context capture tutorial, retouching part 1 of 3 dedicated to tools description. Thank you for attending.